Hey guys, I just want to talk to you about the Shifting Gears community. Yes, you see me post a lot of funny stuff because I want to keep the engagement light and be able to learn more about you. And so when I post silly things like what's your TV show or what kind of music you like or what chocolates you don't like or if you can solve this problem, I'm just trying to get to know you better. I also want to let you know that I haven't given up on the business side yet. Just because I like to have a little fun doesn't mean that I'm not thinking about the business and what people are doing. So, a lot of people are just stuck up or hung up on not doing well. That's a learning focus. Like I said in an example that Jessica posted yesterday when I was mowing the lawn and my lawnmower died, did I get upset? Did I leave it in the middle of the yard? Did I give up? No, I went through the checklist. Did I run out of gas? Is there oil in it? Is it clogged under the deck? Um, all that stuff. I went through the checklist list because I had a purpose to get my lawn mowed. Because having a lawn with long grass really bothers the crap out of me. So I did the checklist. I went through, and yes, I did run out of gas, and yes, the oil was low, and yes, the deck had clogged um, grass clippings underneath. And did it start after that? Fuck no. I had to go get a spark plug, and then I replaced the spark plug. And it ran for like 2 seconds, and then it died. And then I'm like, well, what else could there be? Well, there's a filter because, as anything else, it needs to breathe too. So I cleaned out the filter, put it back in, and I was able to run. All my lawn mowing was complete. You have to think about that when you're thinking about your customer. What solution are you trying to resolve? Are they stressed? Are they overworked? They have no retirement? Are they sick of looking for a job and sick of being rejected? Are they a stay-at-home mom that just wants to help their husband or wife get home? These are things you have to think about. Now, when I started digital marketing back in January 2024, I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. I sucked at talking to myself. I had no belief in myself. And I'm wearing the shirt that says, believe in yourself when no one sees you. That's what you got to do. You got to believe in yourself and you got to really believe in yourself. You got to flip that script in your mindset to say, I can conquer the world. I can become unstoppable. I can be the hope dealer that you're looking for. These are the things that are important in any business. So whether you're doing legacy or if you're doing the $10 club or if you're doing whatever you're doing, you got to stick with it and you got to find those errors and you got to fail and fall on your face and get up and keep going. I believe in you and I think all of you are amazing and I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday.